Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Renu Verma and I'm your facilitator. In the last video, we have learned about the phonic sounds, and phonic sounds are very important for reading, as I already discussed. So in the previous video, we have learned about the 5 sound, that is a, b, k, d, right? And now we will learn 5 more letters, part 2. But before that, please like, subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Alright, now the next letter is, and the next letter is F, right? And the sound of F is, it's like that the air is going out of the टायर और अ बैलून, राइट? आप डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, आप कोई बैलून फुला सकते हैं एंड फिर जो उसमें से एयर निकलती है उसकी क्या आवाज़ आती है वो आप बच्चे को सुना सकते हैं. इट्स राइट, ओके. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज जी, राइट? एंड जी व्हाट? ग. साउंड इज ग ग ग ग ग ग ग, राइट? एंड पेरेंट्स प्लीज as always request that sounds and actions दोनों कराइए. Actions are very important, right? So g g g g g g g, right? g g go, g g gargle, right? So आप words के साथ साथ sound के साथ साथ words भी कराइए, right? And the next one is H. Letter H says, it means that जो आप blow कर रहे हो हवा अपने हैंड पे, दैट इज ह नहीं है ये, ओके? तो एक्शंस प्लीज कराइए. एंड देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज आई, राइट? एंड इट्स it means that ink, it's ink, right? And you are wiping the ink, okay? And the last one is j. J says j, right? So j jelly, j jelly, right? So this is all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.